South African businesswoman and reality TV star Shaun Mamkhize is once again making headlines, at this time over a flashy car collection which is going up for auction next week as part of an ongoing legal battle with the South African Revenue Services. The vehicles, which include some of the world's most luxurious brands, are linked to unpaid taxes owed by her football club Royal AM. A total of 13 high-end vehicles and a luxurious bus will be sold online through Bidder's Choice. The auction will be opened from 27 June 2025 until the 2nd of July, giving car lovers and collectors a chance to bid on some truly rare finds. Anyone interested in placing a bid must first register and pay a 50,000 rands refundable registration fee. The cars can be viewed in person in Johannesburg or KwaZulu-Natal before the auction begins. Among the collection is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz S680 Maybach Edition, a vehicle so rare that only 100 units were produced globally. Similar models have been known to fetch upwards of 5 million rands at international auctions. Now, this specific car still carries branding from Royal AM Foot Club. The team bought in 2021 and moved to KwaZulu-Natal from Bloemfontein when it was still known as Bloemfontein Celtics. The auctions also includes a 2020 Bentley Continental GTC, a car that easily commands a price tag of around 4 million rands. Another standout is the 2016 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, model that could sell for more than 2 million rands depending on its condition. A 2022 BMW i7, one of the latest electric sedans from the BMW, is also up for grabs and typically sells for nearly 3 million rands. Other vehicles in the lineup include a 2018 Mercedes-Benz V-Class Maybach bus, several BMWs, 2 Toyota Hilux buggies, and a Nissan NP300 and a Volkswagen Crafter. The luxurious tour bus, a Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo G7, is also part of the sale. The vehicles are being auctioned as part of SARS's effort to recover over 37 million rands in tax debt allegedly owed by Royal AM. The club was placed under curatorship last year, and the auction is one of the steps being taken to settle the outstanding tax liabilities. This comes just months after a failed deal to sell Royal AM to an investment company. Now, according to court-appointed curator Jaco Venter, Global Investment was selected as the successful bidder earlier this year, but the agreement fell through when the company missed the payment deadline. Mkhize has not commented publicly on the auction, but SARS has made it clear to publications that the move is part of a broader effort to clamp down on high-profile taxpayers who did not comply with the law. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Engage them with me in the comment section down below.